Salut, bonjour, Coco. So this is my first time of making content inside Mara, but let's talk. They sometimes say that money changes people. That when money comes, that's when you truly know the colors, the real nature of people. And I feel that, yeah, it can be true, it can be false. But let's talk about the positive aspect. There is a kind of money that will enter into your accounts that will blow your mind. Take it from me. There's a kind of money that will enter into your account that you know that what these are just numbers, and you know that maybe your current state, your current situation, you're feeling like the economy is bad or you are struggling. You know that money can answer a lot of problem. Money can solve a lot of challenges, and when you handle such, you know that you tell yourself poverty. I hate poverty. You tell yourself that poverty, I don't ever want to see you ever again. So this is me saying that in all that you do, try your best to live a good life, to live a fulfilling life. Try your best to, live a life where you can make yourself happy, do what you want to do when you want to do it. All this money is hard. Yes, I know it's difficult. No, I don't like saying it's difficult. Let's say it can be quite taxing. It can be quite like a brain game for you to find something that would make you money. It's not something that, if it's that easy, everybody will be rich. Trust me. If it was that easy, everybody will be rich. So that means it still, you still need to do further work. You need to do more than just the normal to make money. So this is me just telling you that, see, money is good. Money is good. Money is good. So this is me telling you that anything you can do to live a comfortable life, please do it too. Don't be, see, hustle. There is no crazy hustle. As long as it's bringing in money and it's legit, don't be ashamed of what you're doing. Don't be ashamed of how you make money. As long as you are not begging, as long as you are paying your bills and living a good life, don't be ashamed of what you do. Carry your market for your head. Crazy marketing. Think of ways you can multiply your money. Think of ways that money can keep on entering into your account so that you don't beg. Nobody's coming to save you. Multiply that money. See, triple that numbers. Look for ways that you can get more customers. Look for ways you can get more clients. Think deeply. I don't think it's supposed to be that difficult, but think deeply. I'm on it, so I'm still on it. And now my new slogan is ordinary 100 million. Oh my god, that's my new slogan. Ordinary 100 million. It's just numbers, and I look forward to plenty days of surpassing that by God's grace, and with proper structure, documentation, and understanding how money works. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on that one. Au revoir. Sure.